Welcome to Stocks Power YouTube channel. So today we are going to see Reliance Industries latest news and technical analysis. So before starting the video, if you are stuck in any stock or you have problem about any stock, you can message me on Instagram or you can comment below. So we can solve your problem together. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification about next video that we will upload. So here is latest news about Reliance Industries that CCI approves Future Group Reliance Retail deal. Commission approves acquisition of retail, wholesale logistic and warehousing business of Future Group by Reliance Retail Ventures Limited and Reliance Retail and Fashion Lifestyle Limited. CCI wrote on Twitter. सो सीसीआई ने फ्यूचर ग्रुप रिलायंस रिटेल सौदे को मंजूरी दी है। सीसीआई ने ट्विटर पर लिखा, आयोग ने फ्यूचर ग्रुप के रिटेल, होलसेल, लॉजिस्टिक और वेयर हाउसिंग व्यवसायों को मंजूरी दी है। सो हियर इज सेकेंड न्यूज अबाउट रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री दैट रिलायंस रिटेल शोकेसेस ओ 40,000 आर्टिशियन क्राफ्टेड प्रोडक्ट्स ड्यूरिंग फेस्टिव सीजन, एक्सपांड्स वोकल फॉर लोकल मिशन। त्योहार सीजन के दौरान रिलायंस रिटेल ने 40,000 से अधिक कारीगरों के तैयार किए गए उत्पादनों का प्रदर्शन किया, वोकल फॉर लोकल मिशन का विस्तार किया। सो दिस आर टू न्यूज ऑफ रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री दैट आर वेरी गुड फॉर रिलायंस इन्वेस्टर्स. So we will see technical indicators and everything about Reliance Industry. So stay in video till last. So we will see now technical chart analysis for Reliance Industries on daily, weekly and monthly basis. So where Reliance is having support and resistance. So we will see all this in this video. So you can see here is daily chart frame for Reliance Industry where Reliance is taking support at this level, where Reliance has taken resistance before at this level. You all can see this level is very crucial level and supportive level for Reliance Industry. So Reliance Industry is taking support at this level. So no need to panic because there is good news also in Reliance Industry. So Reliance will bounce back from here. So this is weekly time frame for Reliance Industry. You all can see how Reliance was taking support resistance at this level at trend line. You all can see where now Reliance broke that resistance in last some month. So now Reliance is taking support at same trend line. So you all can see how this level is crucial and strong supportive level for Reliance Industry. So I will zoom the picture and you all can see how supportive and strong level is this. So on daily chart frame also Reliance is taking support at this level, and in weekly chart frame also Reliance is taking support at this level. So no need to panic. So this is monthly chart frame for Reliance Industry. You all can see how Reliance is taking support at this level on monthly basis, and this trend line is very low. So this trend line is very low, so there is no problem because Reliance is taking support at this level and there is good news in Reliance Industry. So no need to panic because Reliance has got good news. So these are pivot points for Reliance Industry where Reliance Industry has taken resistance at the start of the month. So you all can see at pivot point is at 2118, which is here. So Reliance has taken support and resistance at this point. You all can see here twice. So this was a pivot point there. So Reliance has taken support or resistance at that point. So at the start of month, Reliance has taken support at resistance at support 1. You all can see now Reliance recently is taking support at support 1. You all can see here. So this is strong support level, and there is good news in Reliance Industry from CCI. So Reliance will bounce back from that level. So no need to panic. So here you can see that Reliance is taking support on daily basis at this level, and there is this blue line is 200 EMA, okay, 200 moving average, which is a strong supportive level for Reliance and for long term investment. So you all can see if Reliance comes here also, it has a support of 200 moving average. So no need to panic. So Reliance can bounce back from this level because Reliance Industry there was good news of CCI approves Reliance future deal. Okay, so no need to panic. So you can see here that all moving averages are bullish in Reliance Industry on monthly basis. Only 5 days moving average is bearish, or otherwise other moving averages are bullish. So Reliance has crossed all the moving averages. These all moving averages Reliance has crossed in monthly time frame. So this is also good news for everyone who have invested in Reliance Industry. So Reliance can take support at this 900 levels and bounce back. So you all can see here that moving averages crossovers. So short term moving average is also bullish, medium term is also bullish, and long term is also bullish. You all can see 50 and 200 DMA is also crossover also is there in monthly time frame. 20 and 50 is crossover is also there, and 5 and 20 is also is there. So everything in crossover is bullish. These are golden crossovers which are bullish. So you all can see a technical indicators. So all technical indicators are bullish. So you have no need to panic. All technical indicators are bullish, and you all can see RSI, MACD, stochastic, ROC, CCI, ADX, everything is bullish. So you all can see how the trend is of Reliance Industry on monthly basis. For long term investment, the trend is bullish. So no need to panic. So we have seen technical chart analysis. On all the technical chart analysis, we have seen that the trend is bullish for Reliance Industry. So Reliance Industry has a support at 900 levels. You have seen everything. So now we will see fundamental analysis for Reliance Industries. So on fundamental analysis, you all can see market cap for Reliance Industries. You all can see 12 lakh 57,245 crore, which is market leader and which is one of the best stock in the world right now, which is Reliance is best stock. So this is market leader for in NSE also. So dividend is 65.00 and dividend yield is 0.33. So you all can see EPS is also 44.16, which is good EPS, and P is at high. You all can see P is high, which is 44.17, and you all can see here face value is 10 and industry P is also 36.80, which is at high. Deliverables is also 29.30. So you all can see how much Reliance Industry has given returns in past years and past month. So in last 3 years, Reliance has given 107% of returns, and in last 2 years, Reliance Industry has given 78.56 returns. In past year, Reliance has given 27.33 returns. In last 6 months, Reliance has given a good returns, which is 36.26%. So in past 3 months, Reliance has given returns in minus, and in past month also Reliance has given returns in minus. So no need to panic. So there was correction in market. So Reliance has taken correction. Now Reliance is at good support level, and there is also good news in Reliance Industries. So you all can see here net cash flow for Reliance Industry in 2019 it was 3,745, and in 2020 it is 19,839. So it has increased by many percentage. So this is also good news for Reliance investors. So here is income statement for quarterly result of Reliance Industry. So you all can see how Reliance perform in quarter. So sales have increased as compared to June quarter. Other income is also equal as to June quarter. You all can see here. So total income was 1,20,444 crore, which is more and increased, which has increased from last quarter. You all can see here. But total expenditure was more as compared to June quarter. So you all can see tax is in minus 13, which is low and in minus. So net profit is decreased as compared to last quarter. You all can see here net profit has been decreased as comparing to last quarter, June quarter. So you all can see a shareholding pattern in percentage. So shareholding patterns here are promoters holding are 50.17 percentage. In December they were 50.03. So there is increase in 50.17 in promoters holding. So there are no pledged shares in Reliance Industry. You all can see here there are no pledged shares, which is a good and most important thing in shareholding pattern. So FII, DII holding are also there 25%, and total DII holding are 16.12%. So mutual fund holding you all can see here is 5.21%, and insurance cooperative is 6.14%. So you all can see other holding public holdings are 8.7, which is low and which is also good thing to invest in Reliance Industry. So guys, you all can see here that Reliance is taking support at these levels. So no need to panic. because there is also good news in Reliance Industry and Future Group. So no need to panic. Reliance will bounce back from these levels because this level is a very strong supportive level for Reliance Industry. So in last month there was a bad news about Reliance and Future Group deal. So Reliance has fell down. So no need to panic. Reliance will take support at this level, and there is also good news. So guys, if you have not watched our videos about intraday strategies and bank nifty strategies and great stock selection for intraday jackpot, you all can go in description or press I button above, so you can see the videos there. So thank you and have a nice day. So all the best for your trading sessions ahead.